Hey,
Welcome to video of balloons. This video is going to be on both our channels, so if you want to see the other person's perspective, go right ahead. Link won't be in the description for mine, but maybe for his.
I will make sure that it's in the description. I need subs. Please sub.
Yeah, everybody sub.
Also, I have a dog licking my leg, so.
Subscribe to both our channels, or else you'll meet my friend, Purple Killer Cat.
Yeah, he's kind of mean.
No, I'm not. Don't tell them things.
I had this dog licking my toe. Stop licking my toe. Stop licking my toe. Sorry, we're recording with the dog, and this dog decides to lick my toe.
And yeah, guys, so,
welcome to our channels.
yeah, subscribe, my friends, because subscribing makes you a little cat. And for his channel, I have no clue what he calls his subscribers.
It makes you cool. I still haven't decided that yet.
And hit the notification so you never miss one of my videos.
And same for me.
Because you know you don't want to miss them, because they're great.
Yeah.
They're perfect videos.
What are you saving up for?
Watch them.
Oh, you got a banana farm? Alright, I'll try not to screen cheat, alright?
Screen sheet? You're actually...
Is everything seriously that expensive?
What?
Oh my goodness, you bought a banana farm, but not a defense?
Don't judge me.
I'm judging. Very hard. I'm not a judgy person, alright? It's just, it doesn't make sense. My little head.
Yes, you have very, trust me guys, he does have a very little head.
But I'm smart. It shouldn't mean that you don't subscribe.
Universe.
Subscribe.
In an alternate universe.
I'm gonna have to pretend you didn't say that.
In the alternate universe we're talking about is his channel. I made it up for you.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and sell these now.
Oh, he's selling his darling guns, guys. He's got some weird, wicked strategy. Should I use my banana farmer?
Yes.
Okay, I won't.
No, you shouldn't. You really shouldn't.
You should watch our videos. We do cool, super cool challenges on this game.
I'm actually going to be buying the computer that you see Purple Cat playing on right. So,
eventually, in the far, far future.
Yeah, so I will be playing videos that are not this game. If you want to see stuff like Minecraft, you can come to my channel. And I actually do currently upload Minecraft, but there's a single problem with it, and it's Pocket Edition.
And also, we'll be screaming. Sometimes we'll be streaming Minecraft for the PS4.
Yeah. So subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, so you never miss those live streams that are so cool.
Alright, enough sellout. We need to stop saying subscribe.
Just subscribe already. No, yeah.
Yeah, seriously, do. Just subscribe.
Just do it.
What's stopping you? What's stopping you from subscribing? Think about that.
Yeah, what's stopping you from just hitting one button and then making it so everybody can see our amazing videos? Because do you actually know what subscribing does?
It makes it so that more people see our videos.
Yeah, it makes it so our videos go unsuggested more.
Yeah, we want suggested stuff.
Yeah, we want everyone to see our videos and everyone to subscribe so we can
Stop
be the next
selling out.
PewDiePies.
Stop selling out.
If you want us to be the next PewDiePie, well then subscribe, but you probably don't because you think our videos are crazy.
Alright?
But subscribe so you can make Try Not to Cringe challenges.
Totally.
Okay, we only have 10 minutes left, dude.
Why do we only have to... Oh, my goodness.
Because my recording software. It only records 15 minutes. Yeah, I need to get OBS. Does it cost money, do you know?
No.
Oh.
I mean, no, it doesn't cost money.
I know. I know that's what you meant.
Okay, good.
Pursued.
Just making a cannon. Making a cannon so OP.
So OP.
So OP, so OP, so OP.
Yeah, his favorite tower is the cannon. I'm fairly sure.
Yeah, probably.
You don't even know. You're just like, yeah, probably.
I don't have a favorite tower, just like friends.
I'm his favorite friend. That's what he's trying to say here.
No, we had this discussion yesterday.
Yeah, and you said that I'm your favorite friend.
You don't have any proof.
I do.
No, you don't.
I have it in my heart. You're my
Your
favorite
heart
friend
doesn't
because
do anything.
you're my favorite friend because Dalton's too silly, Cody's too serious, and you're just the perfect amount.
Who uses the word silly?
Me.
Are you enjoying the video? If you are, hit a like. Also hit that bell. Not sell out. This whole video is just to sell out. Just to promote our channels.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make the title #sellout.
Sell out and then Balloon Towers Defense. You can put that.
Yeah, and then Balloons Tower.
Otherwise, I don't know what they're seeing.
Just like Bloons Tower, the BTDB, and then it's gonna be like // it's gonna be / like #sellout.
That's what I like. That's what I can't get copyright.
That's what I hate. That's what I hate.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna get me copyrighted.
My brother's been copyrighted several times.
What? How is that even possible?
He always sings other people's songs and then dances to them. He's got copyright several times. He made a video to prove to me that he's not going to get copyright for singing a song that somebody made. And then he didn't put the people in the description. He just said that the song was made by Maddie B, even though Maddie B only did a parody on it. So he got copyright by the person who made the song and Maddie B.
Oh my goodness.
Because he doesn't own the rights to the song.
Yeah, guys, don't be a copywriter. Don't copy people's stuff. It's just not good.
What ego are you at?
Huh? I've barely touched ego.
Okay, then I have better monies than you. Because I never touch
And
ego.
you have banana farms.
I haven't touched eco at all. I've just been banana farming.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What strategy are you using?
Banana farms.
Alright. I can see that.
Oh yeah, guys, and I forgot to say this. If you want me to play any games, just comment it down in the comment section below. Soon enough, I'm probably going to be doing a playthrough on TerraTech.
I'll be looking at the comment section below to see videos games if you want me to play them, and if he gets Terror Tech, then I'll probably play Terror Tech too, because currently we share a Steam account for whatever reason.
Oh my gosh, my lead guy isn't the one that's going over the leads. Come on, you stupid dumb towers. There. Oh my gosh, my helicopters are so stupid.
Yeah, you might want to take him to piloting school.
Maybe.
So, this game really isn't meant for 2 players together because you can't really explain what you're doing without having other people hearing you. We'll probably have to change that. Also, I'll be uploading this on my own without Mr. Purple Cat. But, you know.
Okay.
Just wanted to do it with him. And pursuit.
Yeah, so we can share the views.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put
Promotion.
Yeah, we're like really bad YouTubers, by the way.
Yeah. If you can't tell.
Yeah, if you can't tell already, we're new.
Yeah. In fact, I just started it this week.
Yeah.
That's why I need subscribers. Please subscribe.
Yeah. My 16 subscribers, go subscribe to his channel. Because if you guys are even watching this video.
And it's actually kind of funny, too, because I actually have 7 subscribers, and I don't even have a single video that's open to the public.
The only person who's probably watching this is DJ Dan.
Shout out to DJ Dan.
Whose channel does not exist yet. I'll tell you who DJ Dan is after this video. But DJ Dan, you know who you are. And you probably are the only one watching this video.
Gets like 1 million views.
And then we like get so many subscribers from this.
Yeah.
Probably not. Okay, so, speaking of subscribers, once I get 100 subscribers, then 1,000 subscribers, then 10,000 subscribers, so on and so forth, I'm going to of challenges or whatever you want me to do. You can literally ask me to do anything and I'll do it.
Can you jump into a lava lake?
If they want me to.
I want you to.
You don't get to say in this.
That's mean.
You're not a fan.
I am too.
When was the last time you watched my videos?
Never.
Exactly.
But I've searched for your channel. You're just not good enough, so I can't see you.
I will sue all of the other purple cats. I am verified now.
Doing with that.
I am verified. I will sue all of the other purple cats.
Unless you're a fan.
No, not unless they're a fan. Except, there's only one exception. I will let you repost my videos if they're animated. If you can animate my videos, then I will appreciate it very. See, every time I watch YouTubers, I always think of what it would be like if it's an animation. Like, you can repeat whole video. You son of a gun. You can redo whole videos of mine as long as they're, just animations. Because animations are my favorite thing in the world, and I'm a really bad artist, so it would be very much appreciated.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No!
Bye-bye. No, can't do copyright.
Okay. Perfect
Bye-bye.
timing. time.
Alright, well, this has been it for this video.